What if the reason you're feeling more tired, dealing with stubborn belly fat, constant cravings, low energy, or digestive issues isn't your age at all, but a few powerful foods missing from your diet? The scary part is that millions of people spend months trying expensive supplements, strict diets, and complicated health hacks while completely ignoring some of the foods that can start improving their health in as little as 30 days. And one of the foods on today's list is avoided by millions because they think it's unhealthy, when it may actually be one of the best foods you can eat. So before you spend another month feeling stuck, let's look at the foods that could help transform your health faster than you think. One of the biggest nutrition myths for years was that eggs were unhealthy. Because of concerns about cholesterol, many people avoided them and missed out on one of the most nutrient-dense foods available. Today, eggs are widely recognized as a great source of high-quality protein, healthy fats, and important nutrients like vitamin B12, selenium, and choline, which plays a key role in brain health. One reason eggs are so popular in healthy diets is their ability to keep you feeling full. The combination of protein and healthy fats can help reduce hunger and cravings throughout the day, making it easier to avoid unnecessary snacking. Many people notice that when they start their morning with eggs, they enjoy more stable energy and better appetite control compared to highly processed breakfast foods. Another advantage is that eggs are affordable, easy to prepare, and incredibly versatile. Whether boiled, scrambled, or added to a healthy meal, they provide a simple way to increase the nutritional quality of your diet without spending a fortune. And if you're looking for more simple nutrition tips and healthy food recommendations, be sure to check out my Healthy Grams ebook linked in the description below. But while eggs can help control hunger and provide powerful nutrition, the next food works in a completely different way. It helps support something inside your body that affects far more than most people realize. If you're looking for a simple food that can improve your health, Greek yogurt deserves a spot near the top of the list. Most people don't think about their gut very often, but your digestive system affects far more than just digestion. When your gut isn't functioning at its best, you may experience bloating, low energy, digestive discomfort, and even stronger cravings throughout the day. That's one reason nutrition experts often recommend adding Greek yogurt to a healthy eating routine. One of the biggest benefits of Greek yogurt is its impressive protein content. Protein helps keep you feeling full for longer periods, which may reduce the urge to snack between meals. Compared to many sugary breakfast foods, Greek yogurt can provide more lasting satisfaction and steadier energy, helping you stay on track with your health goals. Greek yogurt also contains beneficial probiotics that help support a healthy gut microbiome. These friendly bacteria play an important role in digestion and overall wellness. The best part is that Greek yogurt is affordable, easy to find, and incredibly versatile. You can enjoy it on its own, mix it with berries, or add it to smoothies for an easy nutritional boost. Small changes like this may seem simple, but over 30 days they can contribute to meaningful improvements in how you feel. But this is where most people make a mistake. They focus only on cutting foods out of their diet instead of adding foods that actively support their health. And the next food is a perfect example. When it comes to nutrient-packed foods, blueberries are often considered one of the healthiest fruits you can eat. These small berries may not look impressive at first glance, but they're loaded with antioxidants that help protect your cells from damage caused by everyday stress, poor eating habits, and the natural aging process. That's one reason blueberries are frequently included in healthy eating plans around the world. One of the biggest benefits of blueberries is their high antioxidant content. These natural compounds help your body defend itself against oxidative stress, which is linked to many common health problems. In addition, blueberries contain fiber, vitamin C, and other important nutrients that support overall health. Many people are surprised to learn that such a small fruit can provide so many nutritional benefits. Another reason blueberries are so popular is how easy they are to include in your daily routine. You can add them to oatmeal, Greek yogurt, smoothies, or simply enjoy them as a snack. They provide natural sweetness without the need for heavily processed sugary foods, making them a smart choice for anyone looking to improve their diet. What happens next might surprise you, because the next food is often avoided for the exact reason it should be appreciated. When people think about avocados, the first thing they usually notice is the fat content. But avocados are actually one of the healthiest foods you can add to your diet. Unlike many processed foods that contain unhealthy fats, avocados are rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats that can help support overall wellness while keeping you feeling satisfied after meals. One of the biggest benefits of avocados is their ability to help control hunger. The combination of healthy fats and fiber slows digestion and helps you stay full longer, which may reduce cravings and unnecessary snacking throughout the day. Many people find that adding avocados avocado to a meal makes it more satisfying and helps them avoid reaching for unhealthy snacks a few hours later. Avocados are also packed with important nutrients, including potassium, folate, vitamin K, and several other vitamins and minerals that support normal body functions. They're incredibly versatile as well. You can add them to salads, sandwiches, omelets, smoothies, or simply enjoy them on their own. Small changes like adding more nutrient-dense foods to your meals can make a noticeable difference over time. And speaking of misunderstood foods, the next one may have one of the worst reputations of all. Potatoes are one of the most misunderstood foods in the world. Many people automatically assume they're unhealthy because they're often associated with French fries, potato chips, and other highly processed foods. But plain potatoes are actually packed with valuable nutrients and can be part of a healthy diet when prepared the right way. One of the biggest benefits of potatoes is how filling they are. In fact, potatoes are often considered one of the most satisfying foods you can eat. They contain fiber and beneficial carbohydrates that provide your body with energy while helping you stay full for longer periods. This can make it easier to control hunger and reduce the temptation to snack between meals. Potatoes are also rich in important nutrients such as potassium and vitamin C. Potassium helps support normal muscle and nerve function, while vitamin C plays an important role in immune health. Whether baked, boiled, or roasted, potatoes offer a simple and affordable way to add more nutrition to your meals. The key is focusing on minimally processed potatoes rather than the fried versions that most people think about. But the next food helps address something that affects nearly everyone, whether they realize it or not. When it comes to foods that support overall health, salmon is often near the top of the list. This popular fatty fish is packed with high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids, two nutrients that play an important role in keeping your body functioning properly. That's one reason health experts frequently recommend eating salmon as part of a balanced diet. One of the biggest benefits of salmon is its omega-3 content. These healthy fats help support heart health and healthy inflammatory responses throughout the body. Since many modern diets contain far more omega-6 fats than omega-3s, adding salmon to your meals can help improve that balance and provide nutrients that many people don't get enough of. Salmon is also an excellent source of protein, which helps support muscle maintenance, recovery, and feelings of fullness after meals. In addition, it contains important nutrients such as vitamin D, selenium, and several B vitamins. Whether grilled, baked, or added to a healthy meal, salmon is a simple way to increase the nutritional quality of your diet while enjoying a delicious source of protein. But surprisingly, one of the most powerful foods for your health might already be sitting in your kitchen right now. Garlic has been used for centuries not only as a flavorful ingredient, but also as a food valued for its health-supporting properties. While most people think of garlic as something that simply makes meals taste better, it contains natural compounds that have made it one of the most studied foods in nutrition. That's one reason garlic continues to be a staple in healthy diets around the world. One of the biggest benefits of garlic comes from a compound called allicin, which is formed when garlic is chopped or crushed. Researchers have studied garlic for its potential role in supporting immune function, heart health, and overall wellness. While garlic isn't a magic solution, regularly including it in your meals can be an easy way to add more beneficial plant compounds to your diet. Another reason garlic stands out is how simple it is to use. It can be added to vegetables, soups, salads, meats, and countless other dishes, instantly boosting flavor without adding significant calories. Small additions like garlic may not seem important on their own, but over time, these healthy habits can contribute to meaningful improvements in your overall diet and health. But many people are still missing one major category of food that their bodies desperately need more of. Leafy greens are some of the most nutritious foods you can put on your plate, yet many people don't eat nearly enough of them. Foods like spinach, kale, arugula, romaine lettuce, and other leafy greens are packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber that help support overall health. That's one reason nutrition experts consistently recommend increasing your intake of these powerful vegetables. One of the biggest benefits of leafy greens is their incredible nutrient density. They provide important nutrients such as vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, and potassium while remaining relatively low in calories. This means you can add a significant amount of nutrition to your meals without dramatically increasing your calorie intake. For people looking to improve their diet, leafy greens offer one of the easiest ways to do it. Another advantage is their versatility. Leafy greens can be added to salads, smoothies, omelets, sandwiches, soups, and countless other dishes. dishes. Even a small increase in your daily intake can help improve the overall quality of your diet. Sometimes the foods that create the biggest impact on your health aren't expensive supplements or complicated diets. They're simple foods that have been available all along. And the next food is something many people eat regularly without realizing just how beneficial it can be. Apples are one of the most popular fruits in the world, but they're also one of the most overlooked when it comes to health benefits. Because they're so common, many people assume they're nothing special. In reality, apples are packed with fiber, beneficial plant compounds, and important nutrients that can support your health in several ways. One of the biggest benefits of apples is their fiber content. Fiber helps support healthy digestion and can help you feel full for longer after eating. This may reduce unnecessary snacking and make it easier to manage your appetite throughout the day. That's one reason apples are often recommended as a satisfying and convenient snack. Apples also contain antioxidants and vitamin C, which help support overall health. They're naturally sweet, making them a healthier alternative to many processed snacks and desserts that are loaded with added sugar. Whether eaten on their own, sliced into oatmeal, or added to a healthy meal, apples are an easy way to improve the nutritional quality of your diet without much effort. And now we've reached the final food, the one that helps bring everything together. Oats are one of the simplest foods you can add to your diet, yet they offer some of the most impressive health benefits. While many breakfast foods are loaded with sugar and leave you feeling hungry again a few hours later, oats provide steady energy and lasting satisfaction. That's one reason they've remained a staple in healthy diets for generations. One of the biggest benefits of oats is their fiber content, particularly a type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan. This fiber helps support heart health, promotes healthy digestion, and can help you feel full for longer after meals. Many people find that starting their day with oats reduces mid-morning hunger and helps them avoid unnecessary snacking. Oats are also incredibly versatile and easy to prepare. They can be enjoyed as oatmeal, blended into smoothies, added to yogurt, or used in a variety of healthy recipes. They're affordable, widely available, and packed with important nutrients such as manganese, magnesium, and several B vitamins. Sometimes the most powerful health foods aren't exotic superfoods. They're the simple foods that have been sitting in your kitchen all along. And that's exactly why oats are the perfect food to end this list. Small daily habits like adding oats to your routine may not seem life-changing at first, but over the next 30 days, they can contribute to meaningful improvements in your overall health and well-being. Here's the truth. No single food will completely transform your health overnight, but what you consistently eat over the next 30 days can have a major impact on how you feel. More energy, better digestion, fewer cravings, improved overall wellness. The foods on this list are simple, affordable, and available almost everywhere. You don't need expensive supplements or complicated diets to start improving your health. Sometimes the biggest changes come from the smallest daily habits. So tell me in the comments, which of these foods will you start eating more often? And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and watch the next video on your screen right now. Your future self may thank you for it.